Yes. You don't follow.
Looking at me below.
When you got me, man, and you know, and the baby, man, you know, you're wasting on the headline.
Get him like and the sing bam bam.
Boom.
Being in the song and the sing dong dong.
Boom.
Being in the side
Oh, yeah. Gotta just jump.
But see, selector, will select.
Wait.
But the truth is, say sometimes some kind of things when they talk, they sweet me sometimes.
Before
I see they ask the girl say, Philo, what you looking at me below? But some quiet they talk for some song, they give me concern. Like Olamide will be the bad door. What would they respect? Instead of they sing sometimes, I wonder.
Which one?
You tell girl, my baby, give me biscuits.
And
The girl won't go bring biscuits. I want some sugar. What do you want, I beg? My baby, give me biscuit. I want some sugar. Uncle, what do
but
you
how
say
biscuit
you
and sugar take you? They just must sing anything make it rhyme. But Patriarchy won't enter because it rhyme philo and below. Then mellow.
They get a new song now. We don't do on board now.
Which one?
It's called Reggae Blues by Harry Song. Chai.
You like him?
I
didn't say na the band song you like knock knock.
No. Knock knock. For Pigeon and Coco. I like that one too. When we come back, the next time we will come back, those two songs.
DJ play those songs
that knock
knock
the band and Reggae Blues. Ha! Even your boo will have a
No, sing the Reggae Blues. I won't hear it.
Even your boo will have a boo. I know Sabi sing.
No, sing, no talk. You know. They thought they say you are a very good singer.
No.
After when you go Kuala Lumpur. So I want you.
In Kuala Lumpur, I didn't sing.
You won't bring that one now.
Moderator.
You won't bring
Don't
that
mind
one
this
now.
guy. Tell us
I beg you, we don't show.
Wala make it sing.
Yes, this one wanna see so say BOBOS YARN on top Wazobia TV.
BOBOS YARN.
Me and my men them we don't follow him to tell you now all your church and things we concern babies and BOBOS them today topic they very splofik.
Always splofik.
Me I want Jagodo. I say me I want Jagodo. Hey well, I want Jagodo.
How can you want to jogodo when you always say jogodo? Is there a day that you don't jogodo?
Me? I have my. Do you know, only here they even drink. Do you know? Only here. If you see me,
Like
if you see me outside,
the day we call your ass. Wait till you say your ass, they will call your
no
ass.
house, no. I mean, I don't go. You can't see me outside drinking. No. I respect you guys, and when I come here, because you guys drink, I drink.
I don't go show you going outside now.
Do you know what you have in common with Moses? Because he was born in bush.
Sakara, hold down your thoughts. Introduce the show. Because what this guy they go another thing.
I beg the matter I want to talk about today. Make it for no loss, and I don't see my men them inside bar, Shakara and Showman.
Yeah.
Regular men them. We say without them, you know if you see me for here. This men, now my people, my party them. I love them so much that my
Once
men
in a while, can we just introduce you? Because we live at the few bars, nobody always introduce you. Okay, we have in the bar, me and you together. We have in the bar.
Yes, our regular
pilot, Ugochukwu Matthews, aka
Ugo One Mama,
aka Sex. Now you be the sex expert now, she?
Their daddy.
Chai.
Yeah.
Aka Burglary.
aka Jide Burglary.
But you know that of late, Sakara never organize any relationship.
Nah lie, who tell you?
Sakara,
Who tell you?
What were you thinking when I said I went to Kuala Lumpur? What did I go do?
She go organize.
I went to organize some relationships that were having flat tire.
Chai. All the way.
You went to pump them up.
You are very useful.
If your relationship is having a flat tire, please call on the relationship organizer. Now you can reach me on Instagram via @MC_Shakara.
They see and worry.
Yes,
Twitter
and then also Twitter the same thing, and then I will tell you what.
In other words, what Shakara they try tell that they say, if you not get the ability to carry belle, the work of Shakara now to pump air.
No, the relationship organizer means I will tell you how to pump it.
To pump it.
I never say vulcanizer. If I go meet my vulcanizer, my tire don't flat.
Those are street vulcanizers.
I go. What thing you be?
Those are street vulcanizers.
What thing you be? If we start for Lekki phase 1 now, the
I beg. When I show my with this one where they talk.
Don't be like the lie. Yesterday when I go laugh one expose them, we dey even pity ourselves. Go ahead.
Who be I go laugh? Na name of shoe. I be the name of.
Now you don't get mad because you don't dey here. You don't get mad now.
Living thing.
That guy said from 1993 that you expose him. on how to crack you up. They see you through the hole.
If you go Yaba, they bring one of those madmen come outside, they talk now, you listen. So I go take everything with that guy talk yesterday. That means you ain't no correct.
So I go laugh now.
Yes, the matter of today, the matter of today. We don't talk, we don't gist. We dey gist like this because we never see ourselves since morning. Now so we dey always gist. Now, I beg, if you get babe, we be say when you dey follow the babe they play, it dey hard before the babe they reach that place. We understand that place.
We go talk this in the topic. Then I don't understand why they try. We have been at travel now with the travel.
They're not confused. Some people they say, is it when you're going to be?
Wait till they try talk. They say
if you get babe,
when no fit come,
except you give her Madeboju.
You give her head.
Head. Wait till they cause her.
I know every girl they like head official. They like me.
No, but really, you know, let's face fact, though. You know, say this issue of maybe they always come, maybe they reach in climax. Now big thing, no.
No go.
Now big thing.
But do you know it's not just by giving a head that will make a babe come?
No.
Okay, what?
Yes. No, I know everybody. You want me to say those very serious relationship.
Like I know what you mean. Those kind of decent
relationships where they know they do all those things.
Now let me put it to you.
Waiting make I you want to say decent relationships no they explore.
Let me put it to you.
Would they talk like some of our parents? Like, for example, I don't think there was such thing in my parents' relationship.
Now we are talking of the 21st century.
Okay,
now,
the 21st century
yes.
now. We get many people where they will be religious fanatics. Whether Muslim or Christians, we say, don't they go, they get routine. Once they come, they check mic. That's Bobby, check.
This is sound check.
They don't go down immediately.
Now, I want to tell you now, say these days now, we get so many churches where we say if you go there, when they do their marriage counseling, or they do their couples program, then they talk and openly there. Anything where you know say go help your marriage. If your husband want Adekboju, fire down. If your wife want Adekboju, fire down. Anyhow cranking your wife want time. Yatoro Boglad, Yatoro missionary, Yatoro monkey.
Because I was trying to let you know, Shakara, those people when they mention majority of those ladies or those women, no, they always reach their climax. So they come.
No.
And you know, because you know what?
Don't be by head. They make
no, we're not saying it's by head.
We're not saying it's by head.
I know the thing about head. I mean, you see, 90% of women in the world we live in now, cranking alone, no, they make them come. You, as the man, they come before us.
Some girls go to laugh you now, she talk this thing.
I'm telling you the truth.
Let me tell you, wait. Let me tell you.
Okay.
When it's not just by experience, you listen to people. That's why I like traveling. Okay. You understand?
Go say it's well traveled now.
When you are well traveled, you hear a lot of it. Let me tell you.
This is your travel, they travel. You only go where they crank. Always well travel.
You see this one.
Where you travel go?
They get guests will be say they'll tell you, say, please, I have to come. Come and slam me hard. I see that time with that hard. You know there are guests that when I don't know when you they give them head or waiting, not being the squatting.
Yes.
I don't see where the jam get. I see the jam is so hard, it scatter everywhere.
Now, let me
you understand?
Let me explain to you. You see, most time, if you now they serious relationship or you don't marry, most men they always want to please themselves. Immediately they just come. Wah. They don't even stay 15-20 minutes. But the woman never come. But the man don't come. In their mind, most men they even ask their wife, say, you don't come.
You good.
I don't marry you, man. You don't go. So the only reason why most times now only because if you do foreplay, we don't say you get men like you. I don't say you are very well traveled. You can last 2 hours. We know. And because of that,
do waiting for them now, fam. 2 hours.
No, but what I'm saying is that no, you don't need to last 2 hours. You get how you feed it 10 minutes with a woman, but you know the right spot. You don't even crank it. You get how you go position your abunang. Where we say you they touch the right spot, you go make a feel come. So man need to know what to do. But if you know fit,
meanwhile,
you need to find.
But you know,
another
I believe say before even you go start say you want really dey crank or you say you want really satisfy your woman, you need to really know the kind of babe wey you dey date. Why I talk say you need to know the kind of babe wey you dey date now because say now their communication they key, conversation they key. You know, say some babes don't they ashamed to tell you say now like this my sexuality be. I dey very active. I did like this, I did that. You know, all this kind of package. And some babes will see that they code them. You guys find out yourself. Now, the thing for me basically about this whole coming issue now say, I believe say it depend on the guy and it depend on the skill with the guy gets.
No be the guy.
That's
You know what I understand?
Okay.
It
No,
depends on the
no,
skill
totally
with
on
the
the
guy
guy.
get.
Nah, let
But
me
maybe
tell
rush
you.
drag over for streets. When we come back, these two men them, they will see the yarn the matter they go. When they come back, not go
this
anywhere.
1, 2 men.